Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows in 2026, like it drops randomly and reconnects over and over, yeah, that can get really annoying. But don't worry, I'll walk you through all the fixes step by step so you can stabilize your connection. First, restart your router and your PC. Yeah, it's basic, but it fixes temporary network glitches more often than you'd expect. Next, forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect again. This helps reset connection errors that build up over time. Now this one is important. Windows sometimes turns off your Wi-Fi adapter to save power, which can cause disconnects. So yeah, disable that setting. Next, update your network drivers. Outdated or buggy drivers are a very common reason for unstable Wi-Fi. If your router supports it, switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Sometimes one band is more stable than the other, depending on your environment. Okay, if the problem keeps happening, reset your network settings. This clears all configurations and gives you a fresh start. Also check your distance from the router. Walls, electronics, and even other Wi-Fi networks can cause interference. So yeah, try moving closer or repositioning your router. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for a test. These can sometimes cause unstable connections or sudden drops. Windows also has a built-in troubleshooter. It's not perfect, but sometimes it can detect and fix connection issues automatically. Finally, make sure your Windows is up to date. Updates often include fixes for network bugs and stability issues. And that's it. If you go through these steps, your Wi-Fi should stop disconnecting and stay stable. If it still happens, it might be a router or ISP issue. But yeah, most of the time these fixes solve it.